Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to see your profile views on your TikTok. And now let's dive right in. Now to see or watch your profile views on your TikTok, first open up your TikTok app, guys. And after opening your TikTok app, guys, make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to see your profile views. And after opening your TikTok, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there is the profile button available for us. Tap on that profile button, and over here this is the profile section of your TikTok account. Now to watch your profile views over here, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there are two footstep signs just beside the tree line icon. Tap on that footstep signs, and you can see, guys, this is the section where you will be able to view your profile views. Now in order to view your profile views, you can see all of your profile views will be available over here, and this is the place where you'll be able to view your profile views. And with that being said, guys, this is how you watch your profile views on your TikTok account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.